Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're gonna change the intercooler on the Santa Fe Turbo. This is the car of my friend, but I got the same car. We got a check engine. It's the P0299. It's an Underboost code, and the performance of the car are horrible. We talk about 0-60 on something like 18 seconds.
One eternity later.
And this is the after acceleration. Okay, so this job is fairly easy. You have to remove a couple of 10 millimeters there, and there. You got a couple of Phillips head plastic screw to remove, 2 Phillips head on each corner of the car to remove the bumper, and you have to remove the undercover plastic under the car. I'm gonna show you, and you're gonna have a great access to the intercooler. This is the part that we're gonna change, and the 2013 is 100% aluminum, and this intercooler is for 2017, so which it has plastic at the end instead of aluminum, so it's cost somewhere around $150 versus over $400 for the 2013. So we're gonna make a test for you. If it fits, I will let you know, but to me it's just expensive, more expensive, because we are all in aluminum versus the later model in plastic. So we're gonna make the test. Okay, so you have to remove this undercover plastic to get a nice access. So as you see, there's a bolt there, and 4 at each corner. So this is just easy as that. Okay, so guys, I removed the undercover plastic right there, and as you see, this is the intercooler, and I see two things for the moment. First of all, the strap there is completely gone. With the rust, I presume we left this strap. And look at this. I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, start the car. Okay. So you see this this piece that it moves. Air comes out of this hole right there, and this is why you have no boost inside of the engine, and you lost a ton of power because of this. So this is it, guys. We removed the bumper. It takes only 5 minutes to do it. I'm gonna let you a link of the video on the description. So I got a complete video on how to remove the bumper, but it's very easy. 5 minutes at 10 millimeters and two screwdrivers. So now what we're gonna do, this is the intercooler. So you're gonna take your Phillips head screwdriver and slowly unscrew it. The tricks with those plastic screw is to not put pressure. You just want to unscrew without any pressure, because if you push, they won't come off. Okay, so this one was stripped, so I broke it. I have other plastic screw like this. It's only 10 millimeters. This one is broke. I don't care, we got another plastic shroud with the new one. Okay, so we're gonna remove this little plastic air duct. So we're gonna have some space to work. 2 little Phillips head screw. Put it just right there. Okay, so now we're gonna have a nice access. I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna have a nice access to this strap. Okay, so we're gonna remove those devil strap right there. I will try first with this kind of pliers. They are designed express for that. Okay, so it's okay for this one. Okay, and now we're gonna try to carefully pry out this hose, but it's probably gonna have a lot of corrosion around that, so I'm gonna show you something that you can do if you want to. Oh, I break it free, but I will show you. This is silicone spray, so this is the hose right there, so I'm gonna try to put a little bit of silicone spray. You can work with your flat screwdriver there, or you can buy those kind of picks that is really helpful for the hose, so you can walk around the pipe if you want with this kind of pick, but this one will come very easily. Okay, so as you see right there, this is corrosion, so we're gonna brush that before we're gonna reinstall it, because we don't want to have leak because of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some silicone spray inside of the hose. I'm gonna work with my pick all around the hose. Oh my god, there's a lot of dirt. So this one should be the hardest to remove, but just take your time and work. Damn, holy shit. That's insane, the amount of dirt that this intercooler collects. So I'm gonna remove this pipe and clean it to make sure. How much dirt it was the pipe collects, that's crazy. And now we're gonna remove the bracket of the top. It's always a good idea to put back the bolt where they are. So right there, there's a harness, so just like this, and pull. Okay, so now the intercooler is free. So now it breaks alone, so now we know where the air goes out. So this is a really poor design. You can use a brush like this to remove the corrosion, but I got this tool that I love. So we just gonna gently clean that to make sure we got a nice seal. Same for the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna shoot just a little bit of silicone spray inside of the hose to help when we're gonna reinstall it. So place your strap before. Now we're gonna reinstall this baby, this bad boy, just like this. So we're gonna remove the old bushing with the pliers, just like this. Okay, oopsie. And now we're gonna reinstall that. And don't forget to reinstall this plastic shroud. Okay, now I'm gonna put back this hose. Okay, just like this. I place the top hose, and maybe with this kind of pliers it will be fine. And don't do like me and forget to put back this piece of plastic. So this is it, guys. This is a quick and easy fix. It took me something around 20 minutes to do. So I hope my video gonna help you to save a lot of money, especially with this intercooler, that I save a lot of money because this top and the bottom is in plastic instead of aluminum. So now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.